Hello, hi GBNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Topic is LINAC. The LINAC is a device. The LINAC is a device that uses high frequency electromagnetic wave to accelerate charged particles such as electrons to high energy through a linear metallic tube. The high energy electrons beam itself can be used for treating superficial tumors, or it can be made to strike a target to produce X-ray for treating deep-seated tumors. There are several types of LINAC accelerator design, but the ones used in radiation therapy accelerate electrons either by traveling or stationary electromagnetic wave of frequency in the microwave region. The first linear accelerator was developed in 1928 to accelerate heavy ions. Need for LINAC. High energy photons beam, high dose rate, electron therapy possible with LINAC, multiple energy, photons 650, 618, 6 to 15, 4 to 15 MV, electrons 6, 9, 12, 16, 20 MeV. No need to change source. Modern RT possible. No radiation leakage when the machine is off. During the low energy LINAC less than 10 MV and modern LINAC. Difference: low energy LINAC less than 10 MV straight throw beams, and modern LINAC dual photon energy and multiple electron energy, fixed flattening filter and achromatic bending magnet dual, symmetric jaw, and computer control operation collimator jaw. Principle. The basic principle involved is that electron is injected into beam of microwave at an appropriate place and time. Hence, electron will be acted upon by force applied by electric field and carry along by the wave with increased velocity. Working principle. A power supply provide AC power to modulator that include pulse forming network. High voltage pulse from modulator section are DC pulse of a few microseconds in duration and are delivered to magnetron or klystron and simultaneously to electron gun. Klystron and magnetron produce pulse MV, and data are injected into accelerator tube via waveguide. At a proper instant, electron produced by an electron gun are pulse inject into accelerator tube with an initial energy of about 50 keV. Electrons are acted upon by electromagnetic field of microwave and are accelerated by force of electric field and are carried along MV megavolt. High energy electron energy from exit window of accelerator tube in form of pencil beam about 3 mm in diameter. Linac component. Linac are isocentrically mounted. Major component of Linac are modulator cabinet, gantry stand or support, patient support, assembly or couch, control console, and auxiliary system. Beam formation. Beam forming component of Linac are injection system, radio frequency power generation system or megavolt power source, accelerating waveguide, beam transport system. Gantry stand is anchored firmly to floor. Major component is in stand are klystron, source of micropower to accelerate electron. Waveguide convey megavolt power to accelerate in gantry. Circulator to isolate klystron from microwave reflected back from accelerator. Accelerator structure. Gantry rotate on bearing in the stand about a horizontal axis fixed by stand. Major component of gantry are accelerator structure, electron gun cathode and bending magnet, and treatment head and beam stopper. Modulator cabinet contain component that supply high voltage pulse and distribute primary electric power to all area of machine from utility connection. Pulse power supply energy the klystron and electron gun when triggered by timing pulse from control console. Magnetron cylindrical in shape, employed to power low energy Linac 12 MeV or less, but occasionally as high as 20 MeV. Function as high power oscillator or originator of megawatt power. It is diode. Klystron. It is megavolt amplifier, linear tube that has two cavity. It is driven by low power oscillator. One main side of linear tube is a source of electron. Cathode which is given a negative pulse of voltage. This accelerates electrons into first cavity that is energized by very low megawatt power that set alternating electron field across the gap between cavity walls. Waveguide. Megavolt power from klystron and magnetron is conveyed to accelerator by system of hollow pipes called waveguide. These are either rectangular or circular in cross section. Circulator. Circulator prevents megavolt power reflect from standing wave accelerator tube from reaching klystron and magnetron, where it can lead to instability and damage. Electron gun. Source of electron produced thermionically inject onto the central axis of the waveguide. Thank you.